Hello and welcome to this year's first unboxed episode where I get my hands on anything and everything that comes in a box. I am Ocean Grace Daniel and I am joined by Anjali Mattai. First of all, Happy New Year you guys. We have something new for you today and it is a brand of scent, perfume. Who doesn't love perfume, yeah? So we're gonna start. This perfume is by a Lucknowi company called Izak.
So Izak Fragrances was launched in 2017, where we focused on creating a line of perfumes which was niche and distinctive. Each perfume had its own story or idea to talk about, and we focused on creating fragrances that spoke to the wearer, that bring out the best in them, that highlighted their own personality. So, for example, the Top of the World, one of our perfumes, it actually talks about the feeling of success, the feeling of being on top of the world. So that is what was captured in that particular perfume, and we are happy that a lot of people actually connect to that fragrance through this emotion. Now, perfumery is also a practitioner's art. The more you do it, the better you become. So I would say that I'm still learning. I'm still a learner here and trying to do better than yesterday. While technicalities are important in perfumery, what I feel is the most important thing is how a perfume makes you feel. So I have seen the manufacturing process, how the ingredients are extracted. Each of these niche ingredients has a very distinct smell, and these smells also remind you of different feelings, very distinct feelings or emotions. This is the same thing that we've tried to bring down in our line of perfumes, wherein each perfume talks about a different emotion or a feeling. The feedback that we've got from our users is also in line with the fact that our perfumes actually make them feel certain emotions or ideas, and we are glad we are able to do justice to it. While working on a project for a royal family, we had to develop an all-natural fragrance for them. And while working on it, I actually created a fragrance which is stuck with me. So while a lot of experimentations were happening, this one particular fragrance, which has had notes of earthy and floral notes of neroli with the vetiver, it's something that I cannot come over. It's still my favorite fragrance. I hardly wear perfumes, but this is something, if I wear something, this is it. It actually transports me to those days where as a child, I used to dance in the rain with my mother and my sisters. Happy, soulful, magical. People around the world, even perfume connoisseurs, they want to experience and experiment with perfumery. Sometimes, leading and understanding more about it. While there are a lot of labs in Europe which offer these people to try and understand more about it, these places are very difficult to find in India. And not everybody can travel to, say, Lucknow to us. So to solve this problem, we have created the first kit in India which actually helps you in understanding and experiencing perfumery. So it's a great kit for people who think out of the box, who are rule breakers, who want to experiment with perfumery. So it's fun at the same time. It consists of everything that you need. It's basically, it has ingredients, it has beakers, tester strips, it has formula sheets, it has droppers and detailed instructions in it, even coffee beans. It's basically a lab in a box.
So let's just get right into it. So there's a big box that is one of the perfumes of their many scents. So in case you want to find out what your scent is, they give you a discovery pack which has 9 scents. And all the scents, the name of the scents are on the box, and you get a look at it, you test, and you can find out which one you like. So before getting into this, we look at this box. It's a scent called Mood of April. Before I tell you what is inside this, we are gonna try it out and see if we can guess what scent we are getting. Yeah. So I'm gonna try it out. This is a 50 ml pack. So what is it that you are getting?
Is that lime?
Yes, there is lime.
Okay. That's about all I could do.
It's a very fresh, citrusy sort of
Yeah,
scent that
yeah.
I'm getting. So it has a major tone of lime and orange.
Orange. Okay.
Yeah. So it's not too strong, but not too light either. People who are fans of citrusy flavors, this is the perfect perfume for you. All right. So moving to the Discovery pack. We're going to be looking at 4 scents from the Discovery pack, 2 of which are my favorite and 2 of which are Anjali's favorite. So let's start with you.
I'll go for the Bon Bon.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Bon Bon is a unisex perfume. It has a fruity, chocolatey fragrance. So you just press it.
So I've always wanted to see what a chocolate perfume actually smells like. So I'll try this out and see. Yeah, it smells chocolatey, but you want to try it?
Okay. It smells chocolatey, but for me it's more fruity than chocolatey.
Yeah.
This one.
Yeah.
So, I like something called the Dew of Life. It's a feminine perfume. It has a very fruity smell. Okay. So this is a very fresh scent, and I think this I would use on a daily basis. Yeah, this is for an everyday scent also. Okay, moving on to the next scent.
So this is called Fifth and Always. It's a unisex perfume. It's supposed to be very romantic with rosy amber combined with sandalwood. So let's see if it lives up to its description. Okay.
Romantic fragrance, a date night fragrance.
I like it. It's nice. It's not too strong, but I don't know about the romance part, but I would wear it.
Yeah, it's not very strong. Again,
Yeah.
I'm not sure about the romance part, but yeah, this is something you can wear on a date night. Yeah,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
I like this. The next one I'm going for is called Edge of Dreams. It's a unisex perfume. It has amber and musk. So let's just try this out. Okay. Not my favorite, but
No, I feel it's too strong.
yeah, this is a little too strong for me. So I would recommend you to get the Discovery pack first and identify which is your scent. And after that, go for whatever scent you like. Based on, they say scent is based on your personality. Like people tend to choose perfumes based on their personality. So get a Discovery pack first, find out your scent, and then yeah, go for the scent you like. They also have a brochure where they explain the scent in detail. So yeah, this was our unboxing for today. Until next time, bye and take care.